So where did I come from? In 1992 I went to college, did an electronics degree. When I got my degree I kind of went backwards. So I qualified as an electrician with a company called Clancy Contracts. They were a medium-sized electrical contractor at the time, and during that period I progressed from apprentice to electrician to foreman to contracts manager. I got introduced to an IT company who wanted someone with my skill set, and I joined them. I became a director of that company, and for 3 years then I focused on IT infrastructure and installation of IT systems within commercial buildings. I was always ambitious and proactive, enjoyed what I did. At that stage I decided I wanted to do my own thing. I wanted to go into the contracting world. Looking at where I started and the many years I've been working in this industry, if you look, when we started first, it was very paper orientated. The drawing board was gone, but the CAD was very much prominent. It was 2D. And during our development of our consultancy business, we had been operating the 2D environment CAD. Obviously, we were running a business as well, and we're looking at the cost of software. We're looking at the amount of staff we have and what we needed. And through yourselves and Symetri, we looked at where the industry is going, where we currently were, and we definitely saw benefit, and it wasn't as expensive as we perceived it to be.
I'm Niall. I'm with Symetri the last 2 years. I've come from 17 years experience within the construction industry as a design manager.
My name is Sean O'Dwyer. I'm the AEC Business Manager for AEC in Ireland. I'm primarily focusing on the consultants and own tech sales and Autodesk sales within Ireland and mainland Europe.
The AECO industry is undergoing a digital revolution, and Autodesk Revit and BIM Collaborate Pro are at the forefront.
Customers are always looking for products and features that will save them time and automate them processes. That's why they choose Naviate.
Naviate is an own tech solution that's developed by Symetri. It covers multitude of areas for Naviate that can sit on Autodesk platforms such as Civil 3D, Revit, and we also have our own Naviate for the cloud, which connects to Autodesk Construction Cloud.
Naviate MEP benefits companies by removing a lot of the repetitive tasks and just opening up the design team to allow them to actually focus on the requirements of the job, getting the details, getting the clashes eliminated, and just to get the job done on time.
Like any business, you're trying to streamline, you're trying to produce the same product, but more efficiently. And Naviate certainly helps with that. You know, it speeds up that process. You can produce really good quality documents, quality information for the construction team. So when they go to construct it, it works. Coordination is less and its clashes are less. And traditionally, the structure, especially the structural engineer stuff, always clashes with the MEP stuff. And we can have that dealt with before it goes to site. It has a professional benefit, an employee use benefit, but also a business benefit. Symetri have been excellent from both introducing us to the product, advising us on what product suits our business. And when you have a new piece of software that you haven't used before, or an add-on to a new piece of software, there's a learning curve. There's frustrations sometimes because something doesn't work, you expect it to work. It's obviously doing it a different way, and we found Symetri excellent. We can reach out to them quite regular. We can get guidance and assistance and training, and that has been very, very helpful. If you look at the capital management framework from the government on all government projects and the values that they're now decreasing, BIM is going to be the standard in the future. AEC Docs, Revit, Naviate, all these software packages are essential to be able to apply those standards and be professional in that environment. And I can only see that becoming the norm. And I see that's where the industry is going.